Is it true? Oh, bam. It's true. It's true. Hey, what's up, everybody? Let me do a test. This is the pre-show. Make sure. Hello. Is it true? Oh, bam. It is true. Oh, good. Okay. Good. The sound works. This is the pre-show. If you do not want the pre-show, and you are in the future, if you're in the present, you have to watch the pre-show. There's no choice. It's 8:54. You must sit through the pre-show until 9 o'clock. That's 6 minutes. But if you're in the future, screw that 6 minutes. Forget about it. You don't need that in your life. You don't need those 6 minutes. You just jump ahead 6 minutes where we get into the exciting, drama-filled series of landing pages. If I puke today, I'm sorry. Let me apologize ahead of time. I will puke right on camera. I won't leave. I will just sit here and puke. I don't think I will puke, but I feel like I'm in a perpetual state of I'm going to puke. The keto diet. The keto diet. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. I'm doing the keto diet. Have you heard of the ketogen? I don't know. All I know is keto. It's high fat, medium protein, 0 to low carbs. I've done it for 1 day, and they told me this would happen. What? You're cute, Dan. You are cute. I won't. I will try not to puke. I don't think I will puke. They say, so what they have when you're on the keto diet, they have something called the keto flu. And it can last anywhere from a couple days to a couple weeks. I did not, and I thought I would not, I usually am immune to stuff like that. I'm a pretty sturdy stock of a human. And I thought, I'm like, oh, I won't get it. I have it. I have it. And it's a nightmare. I almost didn't make it into the office today, not for puking, the other side. It's 1 day of not eating carbs, and my body is pissed at me. It is all about like, look, I love my carbs. I need the carbs. You can eat the fat too, but if you don't pad it with carbs, we got a problem. That's what my body was telling me. Like almost instantly. They're like, you have to eat this steak with bread. Otherwise, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. We're in the pre-show. 3 minutes until the real show. Welcome. I've never experienced anything like. So let me tell you something. I am an extreme person. I can't do anything in moderation. Like some people are like when they're dieting, they're like, I just use a smaller plate. No, that will not work for me. I will use no plate. I will fast. I will not eat at all. That is that's on the table of legitimacy for me. But moderating something. No. I'm not a moderator. So, me not eating carbs that's where I'm at. And in fact, my lunch, which includes a hard-boiled egg, 2 cans of tuna, and mayonnaise, is in the car. I hope that mayonnaise doesn't go bad. It should be okay. Somebody told me 4 hours. Anyways, I will keep you up to date in the pre-show of how my keto diet is going. I enjoy it because I do love fats. I'm not against fats. I mean, I do love carbs. I love all the foods. I love them all. They're like my little children. All the foods, every one of them. But I really love fats, and so where did I go? I went to Subway last night. And 2 minutes of this, and we'll get on our show. I promise. Just hang in there. I went to Subway, and I got the steak and cheese salad with extra mayonnaise and their Southwestern sauce. Very good. But I will tell you, as a guy that doesn't normally eat that without bread, it is a little heavy on the stomach. Your stomach is like, but the bread. Anyways, I'll see. I got tuned into this on the Joe Rogan podcast. He's kind of my Lord and Savior. I listen to practically every episode, and he's into it. And so if he's into it, I'm into it. I guess I needed to lose weight. Well, we'll see what happens. Is my mom looked at me and she's like, "Are you getting a belly?" I'm like, "Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I am 44 years old." And I'm like, in my head, I'm like, "Whatever, Mom." But then I'm like, oh, my mom is disappointed in my belly.
It's 9 o'clock.
So, there it is. There. It's over. The pre-show is over. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the Sage Rock Institute. Did that work? This is so lame. I got a new intro for you guys. Here it is. Bam. There. I don't know why my intros don't always play right. I had tested it. Welcome to the Sage Rock Institute. We are on session 4 of Landing Page in a Box. Or Landing Pages in a Box. I don't remember how I exactly said it. Landing page, landing pages. I don't know. How are you enjoying it? Am I blowing your mind? Are you loving it? Are you enjoying your life learning about landing pages? Please, please, please adopt landing pages into your diet of marketing. They are critical. If you send a person to a crappy landing page, you might as well not send them anywhere at all. At all. Today, if you have any questions, please put it in the chat. I am welcoming questions. You can see Dan Shamir. Dan Shamir from Israel, live from Israel. Dan Shamir. What's up, Dan? He has used the chat to encourage me not to puke. I'm feeling good about it. I think I can make it all the way. But anyways, but feel free to put any questions in there. I am watching. I'm watching with bated eyes. I don't know what baited is, but anyways, today we are going to talk about Unbounce. Unbounce is a landing page tool that you might find interesting. Oh, you're the man, Dan. Okay, so here it is. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this, everyone. The Call to Action Conference. Very interesting. Look at here, in Vancouver, Canada. Vancouver. Call to Action Conference. Who's this guy? There's that guy. I really could use some tattoos. Boy, that's a good look, actually. Anyways, we know that optimize your marketing with actionable insights. We know there are hundreds of marketing conferences you could attend, mostly filled with recycled fluff. That is true. That's why we're here. The Call to Action CTA Conf is carefully curated to teach you next level actionable marketing tactics. Usually the next day. The training you need to become a better marketer. Yes. Oh, look at those guys. You know it's good because their hands are on their faces. Yes, that's how you know. Speakers, here you go. You got some people. Oh, Rand Fishkin. Oh, nice. Annie Cushing. Nice. Okay. Senior Conversion Optimizer at Unbounce. He's looking good. Kevin Lee. Okay. I don't know any of those people, but it does not matter. Does not matter. Anyways, I would imagine you would learn a lot at a... Don't expect a standard conference here, they say. The actionable sessions are only a small part of what the CTA conference is so unique. Your ticket also includes free Unbounce workshops, roundtables, delicious food options, unique social events, and creative surprises, all in the heart of beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia. So there you go. If you... do you use it, Dan? Are you an Unbouncer? You might find this interesting. If you're looking for a reason to go to Vancouver on June 19th through the 21st, you're like, I really need to get to Vancouver on June 19th to 21st. Please consider going to the Unbounce, conference. I don't know where Vancouver is. Let's just take one quick look. Oh, it looks beautiful. Beautiful. I could go camping up there. Okay, where the hell? Oh my God, it's all on the West Coast. Oh, never mind. I can't go there. But if you're West Coast, you could. You could just zoom right up there. Canada and the United States, so big. Anyways, yeah, so I will not be going. I didn't know. No, I'm busy. I'm building a pool. Anyways, so here it is. Okay. Okay, so let's not get tickets. Okay. So, it's a lot like these other tools, you know. These are brands that use Unbounce. Incidentally, may I say, those are what we call in the biz trust symbols. This is supposedly, they say, very important in conversion on a landing page. You see how they've put in these, you know, Hootsuite, Indiegogo, Thomas Reuters, Twitter, Zoho, and other people. You see these a lot of times on landing pages, and I will just make a point of it since they have done this, that this seems to have a psychological effect on the user. They're like, oh my God. I put in like, I have a thing where I have like a rotator of brands I've worked with, and one of which is the Cavs. And that one people will say, hey, you work with the Cavs? I'm like, I used to work with the Cavs. I don't work with the Cavs anymore because they don't do their own paid search anymore, so blah, blah, blah. Anyways, let's watch the video. Let's watch it, shall we? Let's do it.
So I started a company in 2007. So I was doing independent consulting for
Why can't I see
clients
the video?
looking for search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, and kind of doing everything for everybody. About 4 years ago, made the decision to specialize just in pay-per-click. One of our clients came to us, and we had been driving traffic to their main website using pay-per-click for about a year. Their site was converting at about 5%, no matter what we did on the campaign side. We weren't really getting much above that. It was about the same time we heard of Unbounce. We decided we should really look at this landing page thing. So we proposed the idea to him. Let's build some landing pages, send a small portion of our traffic to them. So we were able to test our way all the way up to 22% conversion rates. Without driving any more traffic to his site, he's getting 4 times the leads that he was getting prior.
4 times.
So a lot of times when we're talking to new clients or prospective clients, we'll bring up the idea of landing pages and show some of those recent success stories and how they've worked for other clients. So they'll actually start to understand that we're more than just a pay-per-click company. We're actually getting more involved in the conversion side of things as well, which they may not realize they have a conversion rate problem. They just think they need more traffic. But if you're not converting any more of that traffic to leads, you're just spending more and more money, and you're not getting better and better results, and you're not getting that compounding effect that landing pages will provide with ongoing testing. So we've enjoyed using Unbounce because it helps us answer our clients' needs faster and better. The best feature recently that we've been able to test and use and show some results with has been the dynamic text replacement. That changed the game. That actually helped us narrow down the number of landing pages that we're testing for a client by 3 to 4 times. So for us, Unbounce has been a multiplier for our team. We can do the work of 10 people with 5 people. That's allowed us to focus more on the traffic driving strategies and converting more of that traffic to leads. So really, it's helped us build the PPC side of the business, still getting better and better results all the time, but we're remaining much more efficient.
All right, there you go. That was not very Unbounce focused. My wife is calling. I will tell her that I can't talk. Sorry, I can't talk right now unless it's an emergency. Okay, so he does make a good point that, you know, he was able to get his way from 5% conversion rate all the way up to 20%. And I will say that people do very, very often believe that they just need more traffic. They're like, I need more traffic. I need more traffic. Well, you know, maybe, not maybe, but, you know, you might also need a better converting page. So there you go. They got 200 plus landing pages. We're gonna dig in. did you notice he talked about dynamic, I believe what they called it, dynamic text replacement? Instapage has been testing dynamic text replacement, but it is not there right now. So Unbounce has it. So here you can see, so they start at $49 a month. Let's see. It's interesting they put that over on the right. That's clever. So I don't know. Like, one of the things I'm advocating to people is to go in with a friend on these, you know? I don't know if, you know, like how, okay, so the $49 one, multi-user features, it's not, they don't have that. So you would log in, like if you did this with a friend, you'd all log in the same thing and you'd just be like, you know, stay away from my pages, you know, like that. You know, so there you go. But then here, then if you go up, it's, you know, so then $199 a month is 100,000 unique visitors into them, and 99 is 25,000 unique visitors. So, you know, that's their best value, see? So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. So at any rate, there is that. Let's just dig in, you know. So let's see, let's just do their free trial. Gotta find it. Let's do it now. Okay, start my 30-day free trial. Yes, please. Yes, I will. So you go in here. Sagey, are they oh, they're gonna make me put in my freaking credit card, aren't they? Yes, they are. Sage at sagerock.com, and my super secret password. Go to billing information. It's already taken. Yes, it is. Fine, I don't even care. I have a lot of things. RubberCityAuctions.com. Okay, these bastards are gonna make me put in a credit card. Fine, I will do it. I don't even care because, you know, why not? $99 a month. Jamie Christmas. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I changed my mind. I'm going to do the $49 one just so you, because that's probably the one you might start with. So here, let's see, Sage, Lewis, Sage at Rubber. So you can see what that would look like, okay? Auctions.com. I don't think I typed that in right. I don't want to get logged out. Locked out. Whatever. 330. They're gonna call me. They're gonna do everything. 15 Broad Street. Oh, there it is. Look at there. They know me. How nice. Okay, let me just here. Let me go to so you can just see this, and I'm not giving away my super secret credit card. Hold on 1 second. I don't know how I feel about these companies that demand a credit card. They're, you know, this is yet another landing page debate, right? So, 1018, okay, 10, 20, oops, 18, super secret security code. They were probably tired of just getting constant free trials that didn't go anywhere. Okay, so this is what it will look like if you do this. So you'll be like, my credit card will be charged $49 after 30 days. Put this on your calendar so you don't forget, okay? So, Rick from Unbounce already wrote, trust you're well. Oh, I am. I trust you're well, Rick. So, anyways, I'm glad you trust that. How do you know me? Anyway, okay, so I have to activate my Unbounce here. Activate it. There it is. There, it's been activated. Good, good. Sage at Rubber City Auctions. Days. Okay, hold on. There we go. There you go. Okay, so here you go. So then, best describes your company. I'm going to say I work on marketing content for my company. How many people work it there? Oh, 501. Yes, because that brings me joy. Anyways, okay, you haven't created any landing pages yet. Let's watch the video.
Hi, this is Ryan from Unbounce. In this quick tour, you'll see how to get started with Unbounce so you can improve the results of your marketing campaigns with targeted, high-converting landing pages. Great landing pages are key to every marketing campaign. So when you create new pages, you can either start from one of our many high-converting templates, or you can build your own designs from scratch. Either way, Unbounce's Landing Page Builder gives you complete control over your page's layouts and content. Even if you start from a template, you can add new objects like images, forms, buttons, videos, and more by dragging them onto your page from the Widgets panel on the left. And you can fine-tune an object's properties like rounded corners, color, or link in the Properties pane on the right. In Unbounce, you aren't tied to rigid layouts. You're free to rearrange everything on your page. You can delete objects you don't need or duplicate those you need more of. You can even include your own JavaScript or CSS, which lets you add any code you need, from web fonts to tracking like Google Analytics. Once you've built your pages, you publish them to the world in one click. On a page's overview, you can change that page's URL to use your own domain. In the A/B Test Center, you can check your visitors and conversion rates to see how your pages are performing, and manage the variance in your A/B tests to optimize your conversion rates. And if you collect leads with Unbounce, you'll find them in the Leads and Form Integration section. You'll also come here to connect Unbounce to your other marketing tools, like Salesforce. If you're an agency or part of a marketing team, you can easily invite multiple users to your account. You can even manage multiple clients within the same Unbounce account using client accounts. To see more of what you can do with Unbounce, click the Support tab up top or check out our full guide.
Okay, so there you go. I just thought, they did a nicer job than me telling that, it's just nice and condensed. So here, basically what you're going to be doing, it's very, 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 very similar to Instapage. So, it's laid out a little bit differently, I'd say, So you come in here, you can filter by different types of landing pages. So you can do click-through or coming soon or lead generation. So if you do lead generation, you can kind of come in here. And this is typically my standard approach, is to start with a landing page that I like for my desired effect, So like, look at this these coming soon ones are good. I like coming soon because these still collect email addresses, but these are great. If you have a website coming, I highly encourage you to put up a coming soon page, because it just has this extra added drama of coming soon, Okay. And then I also, this is kind of cool. You can also sort by industry, and Instapage doesn't do that, but I don't know. I guess. Let's see. Oh, an ebook. Let's see. Oh, there's an ebook. So, and then what's nice is if you click on this, it'll show you a little bit larger, version of it over here. You can also get more templates at Theme Forest. I believe this is the case for Instapage as well. but they've got 190 Unbounce landing pages over here at Theme Forest. So, you know, like the Prestige, if you hover over it, it doesn't really show it. You have to always go into the page. I hate that about freaking Theme Forest. 4 ready-to-use templates in one pack. Woo! So at any rate, I've never bought extra templates like that. I just usually make do, but I am cheap. So anyways, so if I do like lead generation, so when I'm looking at a form, when I'm looking at a page, you know, I am not so concerned about the image. I mean, if the images are like happen to be what I need, then I'm cool with it. Like I'll be like, oh my God, look, I'm selling this house, this very house. So I'll just be, I'm selling this luxurious beach estate. But let me just say this. If you're selling a luxurious beach estate, I would think that you should put a picture of your luxurious beach estate and not someone else's luxurious beach estate. But that's just me. So at any rate, like, but I do like, you know, this is cool here. This one appeals to me. I also like, I really like landing pages with people in them. Notice how this woman right over here is like looking at the call to action. They, you know, that's what they say. They say that increases conversion rate. And I think it could be true. See, look at these dudes. So they're not looking straight at it, but they are looking towards it. See, their eyes are looking this way. See how they're doing that? Do you see that? Do you see that? I tend to be a believer in the humans. I think we are compelled by human faces. So personally, I like to put a human on my page. Now you see this woman? Maybe not good because she's looking this way. She's looking the wrong way. Oh my God, I don't know where to fill out my form. I don't know where. I don't know. That's what the heuristics of landing pages would say. So at any rate, I'll take the next gen. Okay, we'll just use this. We're going to use this. So we'll just call it, what's the name of this page? We'll call it Test 1 because that's a captivating. Oh, look, you can also look at it from a mobile version. There you go. Look at that. Oh, look at how nice. There we go. Start with this template. Yes, we will. We'll start with this template. There. Okay. I don't know if it's just because I'm old and I'm used to other things, but I will say I don't know if I like the dark environment. I will say it does remind me of Lightroom. Lightroom is a lot like this, but I don't know. So at any rate, you can come in here, so you just drag these things, right? So you just drag text. You're like, I want text. And you click on it here and you say, this is my text. And then you color it, you make it the right size. See here, you make it big, really big, because I believe big is good. And then what's 35? I don't even know what that is. I don't even know. I'll definitely make it white because, you know, my thing is okay. But then look, dynamic text. Let's watch this video.
Using dynamic text allows you to alter your landing page based on external variables you can attach to the URL. That lets you better match what your visitors are searching for without having to make a whole new landing page for each change. If you use dynamic keyword insertion in AdWords, you can ensure message match and hopefully improve quality score by serving visitors an ad and landing page that exactly match their search term. For example, when I'm looking to market Pura Vida, my Costa Rica rainforest destination, I might use dynamic keyword insertion so that people searching either retreat or resort are both served slightly different versions of my ad and landing page. I'll add dynamic text in Unbounce so visitors will see what they searched reflected on my landing page. I might also use AdWords to segment by location. While my default text could be escape the ordinary, which would apply universally, I could dynamically replace the ordinary with location-specific cues. For example, I might change it to escape the Canadian winter for those of us here in the cold north. Finally, you can also pass along the data submitted on your form to another page or your form confirmation dialog in Unbounce. For example, once a visitor submits my Pura Vida form, I can dynamically change the form confirmation they see to include their name, which I collected in the form.
There. So I would say that is the largest difference right now between Unbounce and other landing page tools is this dynamic insertion. Now, the deal is, though, it's on all pro plans. So I can't use the starter plan. If I want that fancy dynamic insertion, I have to use the $99 a month one. It drives me nuts. It drives me nuts. That's how they get. That's how they get you. That's how they get you. So at any rate, be aware of that. Theoretically and probably truthfully, if your phrase or word matches what someone typed in, say at Google, your conversion rate should go up, because you could be like, they typed in the word resort, and look, the word resort is on the page. Or they typed in retreat, and look, the word retreat is on the page. And like, they're talking about retreats. I wanted a retreat. Yay. So, there is, I believe, some value in that. So, you know, just be aware that that is a thing, okay? Just simply because, you know, like that could increase conversion rate. And what's nice about it is you could do A/B tests, and you could be like one with dynamic text and one without dynamic text, and see which one works. Blah, 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 blah. See, that would be good. So, that is a benefit. Now, let me tell you this. Like, I love changing tools. I love tools. I love apps. I love tools. I love technology. I just love getting my hands on all the new stuff. But I am so far down a rabbit hole at Instapage that it would be very difficult for me to unwind Instapage. Now, I could get another account at Unbounce, but really, I mean, come on. Do I really want to do that? I don't know. Unbounce is a little bit more expensive, and dynamic text insertion is supposed to be coming to Instapage. I was supposed to do a beta testing on that, but they wanted like an hour of my time and blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, oh, Lord. So, you know, so at any rate, that's that, okay? So there you go, okay? So there it is, look, and I can move it all around. Look how nice. Well, I can put it anywhere. Isn't that great? Yay. And, okay, so there you go. So you got text. You can do an image. Here, look, we'll click and let's put an image in there, okay? Oh, we don't have any images available. Oh, man. But here, look, they have Unbounce public images. 1,814 of them. Let me do man. Oh, look, here's some mans. Here, this guy looks happy. This guy with no body, he looks really happy. Here, we'll take him. Oh, yes, look at him. And then, of course, you could be like, you could write a fake testimonial, which is a lot of what I see, I believe, happening in the info market where they're selling information. People will be like, this was the greatest thing I've ever experienced in my life. My name is Tommy Jones, and I support this message. You know, how are you going to prove it's Tommy Jones? Where are you going to find Tommy Jones? Who even knows? I don't know. There's probably, that guy's name could be Tommy Jones. I don't even know. Anyways, there's that. You can make a button. Ooh, a lightbox button. Let's do that. That's different. Let's look at a light. Ooh, oh, ooh. edit Lightbox. Do it. Do it. This is great. I don't even know. So yeah, you just you Lightbox it. Anyways, there you go. You got it? You feel it? You feel me? Okay, good. Good. Excellent. 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 So here it is, the main page. So you can see here that they're creating little tabs, you see, of things you can do. Embedded video. You can put in like actual HTML. So if you come down here, you will see that there is a form. Look at there, it's a form. Stay informed with the form. So you can change the label of it, the color of it, the whole deal. So then, you know, geometry. And then conversion goals. Check at least one of the possible items below for it to be tracked as a conversion for form submission or Lightbox. External tracking conversion. If you're using one of our click-through templates to push your visitors further into sales funnel, you can use our external tracking. And you probably just put this code on that page, you see. So there's that. So that is pretty cool. Let's see here. And then you can just move things around. See there. You know, it's just very, 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 very similar to, you know, I can make a new variant, like variant A. You're gonna just create a duplicate of variant A and then change things. So that's, you know, that's kind of cool. And then you can come in here and you can preview it. So look at there. Oh, yes. Oh, I hadn't saved my thing. But look at it go. The earth, it moves. Oh, good. And then you can do in mobile. You can see what it looks like in mobile. Oh, very nice. Very nice indeed. And then you can go back to edit. You can be like, oh, this needs so much work. So much work. So, you know, so then, you know, page properties. You can add your meta title over here, keywords, description. You can hide your page from search engines. You can do that. Change your background and so forth. So, you know, a lot of cool stuff there. You know, so it's good. It's fine, right? It's fine. So, you know, then it has like integrations into other tools like Salesforce and that sort of thing. So like here, if you go to the documentation here, so that was nice. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. So let's just do Salesforce. That's nice. Salesforce. Okay. Okay. Integrating with Salesforce. Here you go. It's included with the pro level. Jeez, this drives me insane. So there you go. If you want to integrate it with other things, $99. $99. Let me look at Instapage integration. Instapage, Salesforce. Let's just look at this. Okay. I forget if this requires like a higher level thing. In this video, you learn how to integrate your landing page with Salesforce. You're going to need the API key from Salesforce, which is an enterprise user. Okay, so like if you go to upgrade, let's look here. So professional, yeah, okay. So you see here, you see how it has professional integrations in here. See, this confirms my choice that like Instapage offers more ability at a lower price point. Even their basic is, you know, cheaper to start off on. For me, I don't see a real reason to, I guess, invest the more money in Unbounce. They do have the dynamic insertion, right? The dynamic text insertion. Maybe their professional integrations are a little bit better. I don't know. 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 I don't think for me, and again, for me, I'm a guy that loves like little gadgets. Like the more gadgets, the better. But if for the few extra gadgets that Unbounce has, I don't really feel like they are worth the extra price. Okay. So there you go. That's what I know about that. That's that is that. So let me look at okay, let's do a search for landing page tools. So Instapage, get response, funnel class, Optimizely. Okay. Let's see. LeadPages. So here, let's go to LeadPages. So LeadPages, your highest converting landing pages ever. Oh yes. Let's watch a demo. Really? Okay, good. Let's do it.
LeadPages is the #1 landing page
Really, lady, you can't get any bigger? Matter.
software. We help businesses grow quickly by taking the guesswork out of collecting leads and driving sales. This is a lead page. It's a landing page designed to drive a visitor to take a specific action. We
Oh,
offer
geez.
hundreds
I
of
can't take it. I just can't take it. These videos don't talk about the tools. They just talk about landing pages. So LeadPages features. They have lead capture pop-ups, mobile opt-in codes, one-click sign-up, always mobile responsive, no coding needed, designed for conversion, drag and drop customization, add pages to any site, A/B testing. It's all, and then you can see it integrates with other things. So very, 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 very similar to Unbounce and Instapage. The pricing is closer to what Instapage pricing is. You know, for what it's worth, like the design of this site seems a little older. I mean, it doesn't mean anything. But lead links. What are lead links? Let subscribers join different email lists or sign up from one click. Oh, ooh, exciting. Anyways, I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna like go through lead pages, just because this space is kind of maxed out with like abilities. They're all doing the same darn thing. They're all doing the same thing. So like, you know, you can drag and drop things. You can, I mean, blah, 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 blah. I'm happy to go through these things and talk to you about them, but I don't know if it's really necessary. You know, here you go. Here's templates. They've got templates. Templates look good. They're fine. Oh, it looks like maybe they want me to buy these templates. Now, I don't know if they have more templates that are free. Like that, I don't know. I'm not really sure. But this is a good tool. Okay, like these are all fine tools. Optimizely. Okay, let's look at Optimizely. Okay. Oh, it's A/B testing and personalization platform. Oh, how exciting. Okay, so here you go. Let's look at the, oh, geez. Okay. Testing. So they have plans. Okay, so pay as you go. $49 a month. Oh, so they have a free thing. So A/B testing, multivariate testing. Oh, let's test it out. Okay, this sounds exciting. Okay, good. So here, let's do this. There, company, Sage, yes, that's fine. Yeah, how does it know that? Okay. Okay, good. Okay, let's create an account. I don't think I've ever created an account over here. Okay. Did that work? Did that work? Ah, it already exists. Yes, of course I did. Always playing around. Okay, fine. I'll show you. I'll use this one. Ha. Okay. Did it work? Is it working? Are you doing anything? What's happening? Ah, sitting tight. Creating your account password instructions are headed to your inbox. What a relief. Okay. Let's get started with the first part. Select a channel for your first experiment. We'll create a project, create a new product. Optimize an iOS app. That's kind of fun. That's kind of cool. That's innovative. I like that. Okay. Okay. What's your URL? RubberCityAuctions.com. Let's start editing, shall we? Yes, that's. I like the fact that they didn't charge you your credit card. They didn't make me enter a credit card in here. That's nice. Enable mixed content. If you see a shield notification in the upper right corner of your browser, click load unsafe script. Why the site you asked? Okay. Let's do a tour. Oh look. Optimizely helps you create multiple variations of your web pages and track how each variation performs. With each variation, you'll want to change an element in the editor. Try it out. Click OK. Okay, good. To continue the guided tour, click on an element. Okay, so look, you can kind of come in here and you can be like, so you can insert an element. That's right, I forgot about Optimizely. So this is cool. So what this does is this takes your home page and it allows you to change elements in here. Okay, so like I can edit the HTML or the text, and what'll happen is then I can create different variations. Okay, activation mode. I'm now going to run this experiment in 3 different activate: immediate, conditional, and manual. Immediate, activate as soon as possible. Manual, activate through JavaScript. That's more advanced. So that's kind of cool. So if I do this, like let's edit the text on this. Check it out. There you go. Okay, so here's how to create more. Try it out by clicking Add Variation. So you can click Add Variations. Variations have a menu too. Perform an action on variation. Select the variation by the name and click a second time to drop the variation. Okay, good. And here's how to change advanced settings and options. Okay, good. This is how you save experiments. So you okay, don't worry, save experiments won't run until you click start. Okay, good. This is how to start experiments. Run A/B tests, click start experiments. Okay, you're all set. Oh, good. Okay, so I click save. Okay. Uploading to CDN. Okay, good. Saved a few seconds ago. Now, when they'll be bucketed into one of the possible variations. Note that this includes you. Okay, now, I would say your experiment has started, however, you notice the following. You need to implement the Optimizely code snippet on this site. Just copy the code into the head of your page. See this? So you just put this into the head of your page, and bam, it works. It won't work until you put that code into the page. You can't see my screen. Jiminy Christmas, that's so terrible. I apologize. I'm so sorry. Thank you, Dan. So here, this code right here would go into the head of the page. So what I did was I created, it just loads up your home page or whatever page you want. You can change all these different things. So you can, edit HTML, edit text, make a hyperlink. I can do all these different kinds of things. And then by putting the code on my site, okay, which incidentally, I don't know where you get that code normally? Like, let's see, URL targeting. Experiment, so here you can just pick the URL that you want and so forth. So, you know, this is cool. And what I like about this is free. See, free. Track this experiment using the integration. To configure integrations, go to project integration settings. Okay, I will. So you come over here. Okay. And so you can use these kind of different sorts of integrations to you know, tie different things in there, like Google Analytics and so forth. So really very cool, very cool tool. You can add collaborators. Here it is in your settings. Okay, copy the code below into your head tag. Okay, so you just put this right in there. It will not work without that code, okay? But that's all there is. That's just that code, and you're good to go. So I feel like this could be an interesting approach for someone, especially because it doesn't cost anything to try, which is so great, right? I mean, isn't that great? I love that. I love that. So that might be, and you can see here, you can go into, you know, plan information, unique visitors is 50,000. For most people, that's more than enough. More than enough. So there you go. There is that. There is that. Yeah. So I see no downside in trying Optimizely. You know. It doesn't cost anything, and you can just test these things. Yeah, you should try it, Dan. That would be good. And so with that, I believe I am going to draw the landing page in a box series to an end. These tools they've made great strides in trying to make this as easy as possible. That being said, don't feel bad if you have a difficult time with these tools, because they are still confusing. Don't get me wrong. I mean, they're all confusing. No matter how easy they are, they're still confusing. But I will say that if you take some time, play with them, just, you know, drag some things, push the buttons, I feel like you can get the hang of it, you know. And just think of all the money you'll save, you know. So, I was just talking to a guy that, like, his girlfriend's car, the bearings in his wheel, her wheels are going out, and it's going to cost her $300 to get the bearings done. Bearings, like, cost nothing. Like, I forget what bearings cost. I don't know, $20 maybe $50, but the job is $300. It's because you're paying the guy to do it. You're paying the guy to put the bearings in. Whereas if you watch some videos on YouTube, you could do the bearings yourself, and you would save hundreds of dollars. It's the same way with these tools, you know. It's exactly the same thing without all the grease, really. You know, just get in there, start playing around. Don't be afraid, and you'll save hundreds and hundreds of dollars. And you will additionally be greatly benefiting your marketing. I do not see a solution. I do not see a path that does not include some sort of targeted landing page with marketing. I just don't see it. I don't see how you can market without some sort of focused landing page, even if it's just a separate landing page in WordPress that, you know, still has the same navigation. But I'm telling you, I have seen this for over a decade, and I'm still seeing it today. Most people are buying AdWords and sending them to a homepage, and the homepage has no call to action. There's 15 different things you can do on the page. People get easily confused. AdWords doesn't work, and people are like, I don't understand why it doesn't work. It's because your landing page is, I mean, there's many reasons why it couldn't work possibly, but a very good likelihood is your landing page stinks. There you go. All right, everybody. That's it for Landing Page in a Box. I will probably be taking next week off as I culminate my ideas about what we should be talking about next. If you have any ideas, any wishes, any desires, let me know. Let me know. There's a whole series of In the Box, the In the Box series, and this is one of them. So I'll be reviewing those, and thank you, Dan. Nice emoji. You rock. You rock. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching the Landing Page in a Box series, and I will see you all next time. Let's try the outro. Bye. It didn't work. I'm doing it again. Why won't it work? Oh, come on. One more time. It won't be a thing. All right, never mind. All right, I don't even understand. I don't know. There it is. Goodbye.